Hi, Sasha. What you got, you little poodle leg, Sasha? Hey! Let me see your leg. Oh, I can barely see your poodle leg. You're a schnauzer. You're not supposed to look like a poodle. Look at all those toys you got. Can I see your socks? I want to see your socks, Sasha. Let me see your socks. Oh, look at those sockies. Look at those sockies, Sasha. Sasha. Look at those socks for that baby. Go get a toy. Where's that toy at, Sasha? Yay, nice sockies. Look at that. For that baby, look at that. Oh, they shaved you good, Miss Sasha. Oh my. Oh my, Sasha. You have a nice bed, Sasha. I kind of like it. I see your new toy there, that shoe. Here's a blue shoe, Sasha. Yeah. See that blue shoe, Sasha. Oh, do that puppy wuppy. What you doing now, Miss Sasha? Yeah? What's that puppy doing? You've almost destroyed that poor little mouse, too. Huh? I like your socks, Sasha. Okay, Sasha, you're not a cat. Sasha, you're not a cat. Quit digging up the bed. You're so silly, that Miss Sasha's. She's so silly. Say hello to the camera.